what do you do with eggs?
You'll see. Okay, it's
You got some
Christmas
eggs?
Day in Spring, Texas, and we have some Kinder Surprise eggs.
Terrible taste.
This will go on YouTube.
Can you help me?
Uh-huh.
Isn't it help?
Okay, Daddy will help.
He's gonna help me.
Here, wait, Caroline. Go ahead and look at what's inside this one first. What's inside of yours, Travis?
Car.
Oh, yeah? What's inside of yours, Caroline?
Type. Your car.
Oh, you both got cars?
Yeah, they tie those things down. They don't want you to do that.
Are those reindeer eggs?
And all the choice gifts stuff. Get out of the box. There's like a basket that Caroline got that was like brown eggs. You know, fake birthday stuff.
Help me, Daddy.
It's free.
It's in here. Is there cars? Oh, good.
What is it?
I don't know how to put this together. I'll put this, Mommy. Help me.
How did we lose the helper?
What's in yours, Caroline?
A dinosaur.
A dinosaur?
Oopsie.
Did you drop? Uh-oh, did you drop something?
Help me, Grandma.
What is it? I don't know what this is.
Pull down. Eight.
Steroid. She also, we also gave her an antibiotic to be cured of bacterial lungs. But the main thing is that she had a massive physical.
What is yours, Travis?
I don't know what it is.
I thought it was a puppy. Not a dog?
It looks like a Tasmanian devil.
No, it's not.
Are these good eggs?
Gosh, how many do you have?
They each have 6.
Well, we know Travis is going to get whatever. He's
What's in there, Caroline?
Yeah, what's in that one?
Wow. Well, show the camera what it is.
Yeah, I was supposed to have
Can you pick it up and show it?
No.
Do you need help?
Yeah. I don't know how to do it.
I think.
It's hard on for your little hands.
We need to help Mom.
You're gonna have to. I think you push it on in.
Oh, no.
You push it right where that thumbprint is, and then it pops open like a lever.
Uh-uh.
Go to Elmo Draft House. It's by far the best. It's actually, I find on these types of days where I go online, I can go there early, you know, get a seat, and at least 30 minutes before the showtime, there's these entertaining deals. You know, like when I went to
You want to give it to me?
I can't open that. I know. That's bad. I can't open it. Here you go.
I hope y'all get a lot of hits on YouTube.
They sure shiny.
These eggs are from Lima, Peru, because we can't get them in the States. Thank you to my friend Hannah for smuggling them into the country. I will not say her last name to protect her innocence. Or her guilt, I should say.
Cars.
More cars?
Yep. How do you help me, Nana? How do you put this together? Pull up this. Pull up this top. Pull up this egg. Can you help?
Yeah, we'll put them together. Why don't you open the last egg and then we'll put all of the toys together.
There are 2 more eggs to open.
Oh, yeah.
How did it open all by? Oh.
Here, you want me to do it? That's like a little hinge on the back side.
Well, the Bears were pretty good. Well, my team interception.
Help me, Nana.
All right.
Duck. This is a duck main egg.
A duck?
Yeah.
Daffy Duck?
Yep, that's it. Help me. Really funny duck.
Once I was down by 3 touchdowns, I had no choice but to air it out with my interception.
Yeah.
We're coming up on 7 minutes.
Yeah.
This will take forever to
My
upload.
running back, Lamont Miller,
Help me. Help me, Nana.
he was a beast.
Couldn't stop him.
Yeah, I was on 46 defense.
And I was doing straight up blitzing, and none of that would work.
Yeah, I'm going to, I tried to trade for Tannehill, but they didn't go for it.
Do a record
I don't think anybody's going to try and take your eggs away from you, Caroline. They're all coffee.
games.
A puzzle?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Couple of days.
Was that your last egg?
I'm off until
Yeah, I'm definitely
so again, maybe
And that's Caroline's
Are
last
these
egg.
like edible?
Hmm.
Oh, wow. I've seen those YouTube videos.
this took minutes.
I'll show you one.
We're making one. We're going to get lots of hits, I can tell. We're at 8 minutes.
This
What's
is,
this?
like, all you see in these videos is like,
You got a puzzle too, just like Travis.
Yeah, so
Uh,
I think
Okay, look at me. Look at Aunt Chris. Look at the camera, guys. Can you look? Did you have fun with your eggs? Caroline, tell the camera, did you have fun with your eggs?
Cheese.
Did you have fun, Caroline? Can you look at Mama? Okay. And that is the end of our Kinder Egg surprise video.